moisture in the air. My windshield was getting wet. He's coming this way. Hold on. You see him? No.
You got it?
Yeah.
Dude, I was about to press the trigger.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it.
Cool.
Shh. Pup distress. Pup distress.
Let's keep going. Let's go.
Distress.
About to press the trigger.
You got it?
Yeah. You got it.
Cool.
Shh. Pup No. Yep. Yep.
Nice shot, bro. I was about to press the trigger. Hey, what the fuck just happened?
Another one. Second one.
Dude. Fernando smoke. Dude, you see how much fare flew from that shit? I hope the camera caught that.
I was just looking right there. I didn't see anything.
They always come from there. Every coyote I ever shot comes from that hill.
Second time I look, and he was just right there.
I
was just looking there
Every
too.
coyote I ever shot comes from that hill.
He was just right there.
But I always let them come down and I kill them here. But that coyote looked so uninterested. His ears were flat.
Yeah, he was like.
He looks like sad.
What's going on over there?
And when I told you ready, nigga, this guy again, he beat me. He pressed the trigger again. Good shot, bro.
I was waiting for him to tell me like, hey, are you ready, Nick? And he's like, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. You say yeah once.
Well, the first time I couldn't see him because of the sun.
Oh.
I had to close this and use the
And
eyepiece.
to find it. Yeah, that's because once you see that,
Dude, I swear, I was just looking over there. He wasn't there. I went here.
I've
came back,
shot
and
5 coyotes on this hill, and they all come from there. Exactly.
I'm like, dude, what?
And guess what time? It was 13 and a half, 14 minutes. See? Sometimes they take their time.
Yeah.
Or because they come really far. Fucking A, bro. You.
Yep.
That fucking mark. Jesus Christ. Shit was just flying. And look, it's right here. Where have we seen this before? Again and again. Nice dog too. There's no pop. It's a male, bro. I can tell by the size. How are you feeling, Mr. Jiggy?
Dude, pretty good so
It's your
far.
day today.
It's my day today.
Oh yeah, you
Another
got a
male.
big old dick. Oh, that's a nice dog.
Check this out.
Turn it around, face the sun. From here, Nick, got better, way better light. Hell yeah. Mr. Nick winning.
Yep.
Professional cameraman.
Just hope we
The
got this
sniper
on
there?
camera.
We forgot the collar, right? About 5 miles back that way. Good thing we have a second collar in the truck, so we gotta go pick up that collar. We're having a pretty good Sunday. Hell yeah. Where did you punch him?
Coyote tracks.
Here's Fernando. He got the bogo today.
Right?
He got the bogo deal today. Kill one, get one. Here you go.
Good Sunday.
Coyote drags, people. Look at how they fly. Like they're on a little sled. Get you down. Coyote drags. Let me get a close up of that thing. Coyote drags, guys. Get you some. Best money you can buy if you're a coyote shooter.
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Right here hunting with the Don Vergas team.
I think Fernando put some of that Slick 2000 weapons lube in that finger today. Every time Nick said, I'm ready, I'm a second behind him, boy. Coyotes are exploding.
Yes, sir.
As soon as Nick says go. Cheers.
Cheers.
I guess one of them died at 8:05 this morning. Celebratory beer. Cheers. Cheers. So, Mr. Killer, tell us what happened. Give us the rundown.
Well, first set a few stands. We didn't see anything moving, and then we decided to try one of those magic Frank stands that they always produce. Driving in, he saw like 3 coyotes. We decided to, Frank is like, let's just do one right here to see if they come back. They sure did. Got like 3 coming in, then they took off. Again, one came back in just to
That
kinda
got a
like-
little confusing because I mean I hit my finger on the trigger 3 times. Dead coyotes on the crosshairs, and I asked Nick, "You ready, Nick?" "No, I don't have him." Back off, and he would leave, right? Come back around, and then he saw 2. I only saw 1 out of the 3 with Spook coming in, and then finally. After I don't know how many times we go, Nick, you got him, Nick? And Nick goes, yeah, I'm ready.
Boom.
And
That was it.
Mr. Slick 300 here.
Hey, I was ready.
I was ready starting to put pressure on the trigger, and that fucker just blew up.
Yep.
And then the same thing happened here. I mean, you gotta give me some of those sounds.
Right?
That dead grip pop. Oh my God.
Yeah, like I say, I was looking over here and I didn't see that coyote.
They
Then
always.
I turned around.
I
and he
shot-
come back in and he was like just standing
I
right
shot
there.
5 coyotes on this hill in this
Wow,
spot,
that's
and they
crazy.
always come from here. But the weird thing, that coyote didn't seem interested, right?
Yeah.
He was just standing there with his ears flat, weird. And so I go, right there, Nick, you on him? Yeah. And then I go, wait, let me zoom in a little. And I go, when Nick said ready, boom, too late.
Yeah, that was too late.
Fernando dropped. I mean, I saw shit fly everywhere. That 6 arc has been smoking them, boy. So, yeah, good time. It's windy, but we're gonna go send some lead,
You guys go
some bank,
go
some
do
steel, some
shooting
range,
right now.
long range stuff. Set up the rifles for for what is it, deer season up
Deer
there
season, yeah.
next weekend, and hopefully. So, cheers, guys. Good time.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Nick.
Cheers. Good time.
Here, let me see that rifle. Hold both these dogs up. Hold both those things up.
Let me see if I'm strong enough for that.
Show them what you're working with.
They're heavy dogs.
There you go.
That.
There you go.
Look at that. 2 of them. Ooh. 2 Coyote Sunday.
Hey, that's a picture. Do that. I'll take your picture.
Woo.